Hey guys, this is Galen at GNR Diesel. Something that we've run into on our Cummins fuel filter conversion kits for the 10 and newer Cummins is the water and fuel sensor. So the factory harness in some cases does not reach the water and fuel sensor port on the front of the head. So we redesigned the head a little bit to make so that that reaches. So originally, the 2010 and newer conversion kits had the water and fuel sensor port here. So we changed this for fitment issues. The harness wouldn't quite reach here in some applications. Our new style filter head, shaped a little bit differently, functions all the same, but instead of having it facing the driver's side, we now have two ports facing the front, and the adapter threads in there, and then the sensor goes in that port. Reason for this to still use an adapter is in a custom application, this is still a standard 8AN port. Take the adapter out, standard 8AN plug will fit, or any other fitting 8AN that you would want to run to a dual fuel or any other application. Thanks for watching.